GYEON PPF Renew. It's a safe cleanser for glossy PPF. It will restore your PPF. It will remove all imperfections that have set over time. It will boost gloss and restore slickness. Let's give it a go. When using PPF Renew, you have to make sure, of course, that your PPF is cleaned and dried. After that, use a liberal amount of product on a finishing pad, and you can spread it on your PPF even in larger sections. We are not doing any paint correction here. If finished, continue and do the whole panel. After this process, we advise you to go over it with a layer of can coat. Some advice I can give you on PPF Renew when you use it on a finishing pad is to prime your pad first. Use a liberal amount of product on each step to make sure you have a good cleanse and a low temperature.